Show you how to put this back together. It's been fairly clean. You got to set that there now. You got to make sure that it's in this position, and then hold it slowly. These are going to go in there.
That's it.
Just like that.
And this should lock down and go flat, but it's
all right. Wait a minute. Hang on, just a second. What I want to show them is how this works. Okay. So, all right. So if you look here, in here, you're going to see that you have to slide it into this area right here, and that gets the contact on there. You can see it. These probably need to be cleaned a little bit better, but we're just going to go ahead and put it in. So we set that there. So now you've got this there, and then show. All right, so you're really quick with it. Let's slow down a little bit. So you see these contacts? They're the ones that slide in to that area right in here. Don't stick your finger in there. You could get electrocuted. So you got to put your bowls in just like that. And then she's going to carefully slide that in, and it makes a little pop, and then you're in. You got one more over here. Nope, you got it. You got it off. You're off.
No, but they don't.
You got the. There you go. Now you're good.
They don't. It doesn't line up.
Well, you may have the wrong one in there. Are they all the same size?
They would be.
Go ahead and pull that one out. All right. So let's see. Let's see. So they seem to be all the same size. Is there another one somewhere? This thing is huge.
No, this is not any smaller. They're all the same size.
Wait a minute, you got a smaller one to put here then? All right, so we're just gonna have to put them in like that. So we're just gonna put all these in like this, and then we're gonna go and put our burners back in. There's your contacts. Just gotta make sure you get the little hole there. And this might work now because look, it's not setting on that.
Why? Why is it not setting?
Because I pulled it back just a little bit. So it should work. Yeah, there you go. So that's kind of working. That looks pretty good. And that's basically how you do it on this Hotpoint.
This is not.
That one doesn't want to go in. Maybe you haven't got it in the thing. It's good enough.
No.
So when it goes in, and then it's got to come.
Watch out. No,
I know, when it goes in.
You're not missing.
Now it's got to come this way to lock it.
Okay. That's it.
Same with this one here. It's got to go in, then you got to pull it.
Well.
Did I get it in there?
Yeah. But you shouldn't really pull it because you're pulling it out of the thing. That didn't.
Well, it's not like she's ever going to use the stove.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter, but that's good enough.
This one I did have it back a little bit.
And
all right,
this one is missing. This thing all came off of here. So.
Do they have any more of those?
What do you mean?
These things here.
This is just to hold that in the center. Mostly the good stuff.
All right, so that should work. All right, so that's that. All right, put that one away. So anyway, this is your Hotpoint, and you know, here's your oven, here's your burners. Should we check the burners, make sure they work? But we just put them back on, though.
Yeah, you can check them again.
All right, let's see what happens. I'll turn them all on. See if we can blow a fuse. Okay, I'm feeling heat. I'm getting heat on all of them. That's important. So you see, oh look. Look at this one.
What?
It's sizzling.
Smoky.
I don't know.
Is there shit on there? Why are they smoking?
I don't know. Let's turn them off now.
Why
Did
are
you wash these?
No.
Did you dip them in water or anything?
No.
No chemicals?
We washed with these. These sat here. No, they're burners. We wouldn't wash them.
Why is that doing that? That's interesting. Maybe let's go ahead and just go and turn it on and see what happens.
Let me open the window.
Yeah, look at that.
There are two locks.
So these two aren't stopped smoking. It might be the paint or whatever it is on the.
Can you reach that lock? Is it open or closed? I don't know. So it's stopping. It should stop. Is that up or down?
I don't know.
I'll just open it and whack that out the window.
It should just pull open. Now it's stopping now.
Yeah.
This one's still got some. It's still burning.
You can see it, so that's fine.
Probably just gassed ourselves. Let's turn them off.
There's no gas, honey, by the way.
I mean, whatever was off gassing.
Yeah.